right and left lifted increases are increases that look almost invisible. To knit a right lifted increase, you want to lift the right leg of the stitch one row below the stitch on the left hand needle. So one trick is to look at this bar here and follow that to pick up the right leg of this stitch one row below and put that on the left hand needle. Then you want to just knit that lifted leg as normal and then continue knitting. And then you will have increases like this. To knit a left lifted increase, you want to lift the left leg of the stitch 2 rows below the stitch on the right hand needle. Again, you can follow this bar here and that will bring you into the stitch that's 2 rows below. And then you'll just want to knit this stitch through the back loop. And that's it.